My name's Drew Stahl. I'm a machine sales representative with Altorfer Cat. Today we're here to go over some basic operating tips for the Cat Grader Blade. Behind me here we have a Cat GB124 hooked up to a next gen 265. So let's hop on in. So now that we're in the Cat 265, we're first going to turn the machine on. Once the machine is on and the screen is active, we're first going to turn off our parking brake. After we remove our parking brake, we're going to have to put the grader blade into what we call smart mode. To put a machine into smart mode, you press the shovel button on your left-hand joystick. A prompt will come up on the screen asking you to enable. You press OK. And for the first time, you'll have to press your right trigger finger to enable. Now that the attachment is enabled, we're going to go through the list of commands. When in smart mode, the basic operation of the blade is raise and lower, which is done by pushing forward and pulling back on your right hand joystick. Adjust the cross slope side to side, again with your right hand joystick. To angle the blade, you're going to do functions 1 and 2, which is your roller switch. If your grader blade is equipped with the optional wings, you simultaneously press aux 6 while opening and closing your roller switch for your right hand blade. Aux 5 will control your left hand blade, same operation with your roller switch. This machine is set up to run a recall. To recall a certain cross slope, you get to your desired degrees. Right now we're at roughly 5 degrees. You're going to press and hold aux 3 for about 2 seconds. Aux 4 is going to be a return to 0 for your blade. Now that my blade's zeroed out, I'm going to press aux 3 and go right back to 5 degrees. This specific GB124 is set up with a Trimble Earthworks dual GNSS system. To activate autos, you press aux 7, which is your left-hand trigger finger. Once activated, the blade will automatically adjust. To make incremental adjustments, you press aux 4 and aux 3 when in that mode.